No, thanks. Ngiyabona serious note. Uwami nami, we have a relationship. She didn't know me. And then I love the daughter. I was married. I'm no more married. So she told me that she's pregnant. And I said to her, I would love to meet with you. Why on a meet born ukuthi ukolida isho ufuna ukuyenza angase ngithi okwami ukukholwa nanomkholelo wami angithanda to I would like to support her and make sure we do it right until delivery shows on the job. But in reality, through the abortion, I mean, we have to talk from my things. She came. No, thanks. Ngiyabona serious note. Uwami nami, we have a relationship. Niyathanda. Ukhuluma kini? Ay. Same. Awume. Ay. Akekho umuntu ofayo.
Hello Mzansi, the presenter and host Lindo Sibiya impregnated a 21-year-old who went on Instagram in June 2022. He has taken some of the responsibility for his action by acknowledging them, but he hasn't fulfilled some of his promises when coming to financially supporting the 21-year-old. This is how it all started. So I am a 21-year-old from Johannesburg. I used to be involved with Linda Mr. Magic Sibiya this year around June, July, but I wouldn't say it was a serious relationship. He DM'd me on Instagram telling me he would like to get to know me and take me out on a date. I agreed, and the first time I checked his profile, I didn't know who he was at all, but later I learned that he is Lindo Sibiya, but I didn't really care much, which maybe that is why he was taking advantage now. So I fell pregnant August and I took a pregnancy test September 7th. I was already 3 weeks and obviously the baby is his because I've only been with him since June. Well, the only person I had intercourse with since that time. So I panicked because I'm still young and figuring out my life. I'm not ready for a baby at all. We met up so I can tell him, but I go with the intentions of terminating the baby, and I thought he would run with that idea since he's a public figure and doesn't want this to come out. But no, he says I should keep it because he doesn't believe in abortions. Now I had to make sure that he will take care of the baby, and he reassured me that, he promised me getting my own place, medical aid for the baby, supporting me and the baby, and many other things. And I fell for it. I believed him because why would he lie? He's capable of doing all of that. With all of that, he said, I haven't even went to a single checkup. He keeps saying he will send the money for it. He's been saying that ever since I told him about the pregnancy till now. Okay, so I go tell my mom I'm pregnant. My mom is very disappointed as Linda is 30 years older than me and she felt Lindo Sibiya is taking advantage of me. Of course, which he really did. I told her about all of the heavens he promised me until they met to further discuss it. Lindo Sibiya, with his smooth tongue, continued to reassure us he went as far as marriage. I have a recording of that meeting. I can send it if you want it.
No, thanks. Ngiyabona serious note. Uwami nami, we have a relationship. She didn't know me. And then I love the daughter. I was married. I'm no more married.
Okay, we leave thinking he will do something, but no, I'm 8 weeks now. I have to chase him for everything. It's like he's running away from his responsibilities and playing games with me since I'm just 21. He blinded me. My mom is a single mom. She can't take on a role for Lindo Sibiya when he can fully do that himself. So now I have been pestering him that I don't need all of these things. He promised me I need money to terminate the baby and he should pay for the damages too. This is my first child and my first termination and could be my last baby. He's ruining my life. He's ignoring me, doesn't want me to move on with my life. All I want is my life back. And to terminate the baby, he should pay for that. He can't just run away from his responsibilities. And he might defend himself and say that he told me to keep the baby, he will take care of it. But I'm the one who wants to terminate. That's bull. I can't keep running after an old matured person for basic things like doctors checkup. What about when the baby's born? I'm going to suffer. Lindo Sibiya honestly played tricks with me, and I don't know what he wants to gain, because this wasn't going to happen if he just agreed with me from the beginning. That's it, Mzansi, about Usibiya playing cat and mice with a 21-year-old. Anyway, till I see you again, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.